Hi there, in this video we will solve one of the most common problems, finding the percentage. We will use dictionary in Python to store the data and calculate the average in just a few lines of code. Let's dive in. So in the given task, we have to read integer n and number of students. Then for each student we read their name followed by their score. We store everything inside a dictionary where the student name is the key and their scores are the value. Like in the sample input, we have shown like Krishna 67, 68 and 69, Arjun and Malika. When we are using the query name for getting the average of Malika, we will get the sample output of 56.00. Now let's solve this problem. So in the code we can see that we have taken a student marks dictionary and taking the names and the scores and the query name as an input from the users. Now we will make an average variable and take the sum of all the student marks of the query name, sum student marks of query name, and divide it by the length of the query. After this we will just print the average, print. While printing the average we need to make sure that it's in the formatted way and it prints to the double digit. F format average dot to F. So that's all for the code. Now let's run it. So our code matches the expected output, and that's all for this video. Thank you.